This week's vocabulary words. Number one, governor. A governor is a person elected to be the head of the state in the United States. We have a governor in the state of Pennsylvania, and his name is Governor Wolf. The word accompanies means something goes along with something. Maybe you've heard a singer and they have an accompanist, maybe on the guitar or the piano. They go along with each other. They go along with something. Number three, a campaign. A campaign is a series of actions planned and carried out to bring about a particular result. So specifically this week, we're going to be looking at Ike running for office for mayor, and he has a series of actions planned out so that he can actually win the election. He has a campaign. If I intend to do something, number four, means I mean to do it. Maybe I say, I intend to go for groceries after work today. That means that I plan to get that done. Number five, opponent. Your opponent is a person or a group that is against you, maybe in a fight, or a soccer game, or a contest, or a discussion. An opponent would be the opposite of a teammate. Number six is overwhelming. If something is overwhelming, it's completely overpowering. It's so powerful and intense, you're not even sure that you can stop it. Number seven, to tolerate something is to put up with or endure something or someone. Maybe you tolerate a younger brother or sister who continues to interrupt you when you're doing something. Number eight, the word weary means you're very tired.